This is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're performing a roof replacement in the city of Vienna, Virginia. And here you can see we had to remove some plywood that was rotten. And it was a few different things that was causing the rot. Now one thing is whoever installed the step flashing along the wall, they put tons of nails into the flashing, and just one nail in the flashing can cause a leak. Now also whoever installed the pipe flange around the pipe, that was done wrong. Also, the ridge vent at the highest point of the roof where he's working now, they never waterproofed underneath the aluminum ridge vent. So whenever there was a heavy downpour or melting snow, the water got underneath the vent, and then the water just traveled underneath the shingles, and wherever the water finds an opening, that's where the water will settle. So everything is coming along really well. After the plywood is replaced, then we're going to install the ice and water shield along the gutter line. We'll install a synthetic underlayment. We'll also install a new pipe flange around the pipe. All the flashing along the wall, that's going to be removed and replaced. Now after the roof is completed, then we're going to install the Cobra ridge vent right across the top, and that will help to release all the warm moist air trapped in the attic, and it will prevent condensation buildup and mold in the winter. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement and roof repair in Vienna and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.